YouTube, it's Granny with 73, and I'm your Tuesday hostess for witchcrafting. And today, I'm going to do, this isn't exactly a craft, but it is a kitchen witchery kind of thing. I make my own broth, and this is the broth that I made from the turkey that we had at Ostara. And I make my bone broth, and I did a video on my personal channel, Granny with 73, on how to make bone broth. And it is a very, very healthy alternative to the box stuff. Now, I got this at the dollar store near my place. They have a lot of foodstuffs now that you can get, like cans and stuff like this. So I got the Campbell's chicken broth for $2 at Dollarama. And I just wanted to show you the ingredients in here. It's only 10 calories. And this is for 2/3 of a cup. But look at how much sodium is in it. Yeah, most of what is in here is sodium. And there isn't much else goodness in here at all. So, chicken broth, water, salt, barley yeast extract, dextrose, flour, potassium, chloride, the sodium, and that's about the canola or soybean oil. I can read those words. But anyways, you won't find a lot of these extras like the ones that I couldn't pronounce, the disodium, the lunolate, I don't know, in the homemade stuff. Now, when you make stuff homemade as natural as you possibly can, then you know what's going in this. All I put in this was some sage, some bay leaves, onion, garlic, a couple of carrots, and some celery while I was boiling the broth, and then I strained it all out. Now, I just wanted to show, after I've had this in the freezer, now this is my last of my bone broth, I've been using it, and I have gastric bypass surgery coming up July 8th. So as of the 24th of June, I will be on a completely liquid diet, which calls for broth. So I just wanted to show you that this is the broth that I will be using, not this stuff. The idea is that they want you to have as low calorie and low sodium as possible. They want you to shrink the fat around your liver so that when they do the laparoscopic surgery, the little instrument that goes in can lift your liver back and keep it out of the way while they're doing your gastric bypass. And anybody who's boiled chicken bones before knows that, you know, all of the oil and the fats will congeal at the top after you put it in the fridge. Now, I froze mine as is, and this is the fat that I scraped off the top. The fat all congealed to the top and then froze there. And this is all the fat that I scraped off. So all I did was I took a spoon around here and I just scraped it off. And then what's left is some low fat, low calorie lean broth, and everything that's in it is all natural. So yeah, and I might add that when we had our Ostara dinner, I had a free range turkey. He didn't have a whole bunch of you know, extra stuff added into him as he was growing up, like, you know, like antibiotics and growth hormones. He was just a regular turkey that lived on a farm that, you know, I'm sure that they had a vet come in and see him. However, they don't do the whole steroid thing in regular, like, mom-pop farms because it's expensive to start feeding your animals steroids, and unless you're a farm that supplies like big grocery stores or box stores like that, there's really no call for you to plump up your birds. Because, you know, these people were raising their bird just for their own consumption and to sell it at like farmers markets and stuff like that, or to the butcher shop that was in town. We got this bird from near Grafton, Ontario. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this quick video, and I would also like to mention that this broth is really good to make gravies and other soups and stews if you are looking to do something like that. on the cooler nights. I know it's June, but we still have, here in Canada, we still have a few nights where it's kind of chilly outside. And sometimes you just want comfort food. So making a nice stew or soup out of this, or some gravy to go on your fries and making a poutine is, or even other meats that you want to make, like if you're making a roast chicken one night and you want to make some gravy and you already have the stock in kitchen witchery housekeeping video. Please subscribe and leave me a comment below. Thanks. Blessed be.